little dog, big bark. A little dog stood by an old well. He stood there all morning. Bow, wow, wow, barked the little dog. All morning he barked. All morning Ken heard him. At last, Ken went over to the well. Why do you stay here, little dog? He asked. And why are you barking? Are you waiting for someone? The little dog looked at him. Bow, wow, wow, he said. Ken called his friend, Jack. Come here, Jack, he said. This dog wants to tell us something. Maybe someone fell into the well. The man looked down into the well. They saw only little water. Bring me a rope, Jack, said Ken. Someone may be down there. Jack got a rope for Ken. Ken went down into the well. Down he went. A long time went by. Are you all right, Ken? Jack called. Yes, answered Ken. I'm on my way up. It's a hard climb. At last he climbed to the top. Did you find anything? Jack asked. Ken smiled. Yes, he said, holding out the bone. This is what dog want to tell us. He dropped his bone into the well. Bow, wow, wow, barked the little dog. Ken gave him the bone. The dog ran off with it. All that work just for the bone, said Jack. But it is good bone, said Ken. I will have a bark too. Now let's make a new cover for this old well. This is a short story, but I think this story is very good for practice speaking English well. The little dog, you see? Little dog. A bigger bark. Little dog, bigger bark. This song, you need exaggeration. You speak with your mouth open, big. Make your tongue and mouth very flexible, very vivid. Action. You see? We can use the practice again. Little dog, little. In American English, T, 2T. Pronunciation is D. Little. Dog. Little dog. Big. Bark. Little dog. Big bark. A little dog stood buying by an will, old, the cut, old will, old will, old will, old will, old, the old will. He stood, now stood, D in American English. Don't speak out. He stood there all morning. She stood there all morning. She stood there all morning. He stood there all morning. I'm very good. Bow, wow, bow, wow, barked. The little dog, bow, wow, the little dog barked, the little dog. All morning he barked. All morning Ken heard him. You can speak D-H-E-M. Heard him. Or you can speak heard him. Or you speak heard him. Every morning can heard him. Heard him. Every morning can hear him. At last, cut up. At last, last, T, A-T, L-A-S-T. They have T, but the T end, we don't speak out. Last. At last can went over. T over, or went over. At last can went over to the wheel. Why is very big words. I like use them. Why do you? Why not? Why do you stay here? Why did you? Did you? Why did you here? Why did you stay here? Why do you stay here? Why do you stay here? Little dog. Why do you stay here, little dog? He asked. And why are you barking? And why? The D. Now speak out. And why? And why you are very short. Why you barking? Why were you barking? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting? Are you waiting for someone? The little dog. Look at him. Look at him. Very short. Look him. Look at T cut. Look him. The little dog looked at him. Bow, wow, wow. Again, I like this, training my foot tongue. Bow, wow, 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 bow, bow. He said, of course, he point dog, dog. Some American speak his dog. He or she, because American love, or like, very love, for feeding. They think dog is his family member. So he often use he or she call his or her dog. Ken called his friend Jack. Ken called his friend Jack. Called because in story always use past verb, but we speak called cut. A friend, the noun, the D. We don't speak. Just friend, not friend. Ken called his friend Jack. He called his friend Jack. Come here. Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack, he said. This dog wants to tell us. This dog wants to tell us. This dog wants to tell us. Tell us. Tell us. This dog wants to tell us something. This dog wants to tell us something. Maybe someone fell into the well. Fell into the well. Maybe someone fell into the well. Maybe someone fell into the well. Fell into the well. Fell into the well. Maybe someone fell into the well. Maybe someone fell into the well. The man looked down into the well. The man looked down into the well. The man looked down into the well. Looked past the verb. Looked, but we say looked out. Looked down into the well. They saw only little water. Little water. Litt. We pronunciation T like D. Water. The T in middle between A, E, W-A-T-E-R. Before T is A, after T is E. So the T, American always speak pronunciation D. Change and the sound. the little water, the little water. Bring me a loaf, Jack, said Ken. Someone may be down there. Someone may be down there. Jack got a loaf for Ken. Jack got a loaf for Ken. Ken went down into the well. Down, down, down he went. I very like to practice. Down, down, down he went. Down, down he went. A long time went by. We speak went by. A long time went by. Are you all right? Are you all right? Ken. Are you all right? Ken. Jack called. Yes, answered Ken. Yes, answered Ken. I'm on my way up. 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 I'm on my way. You see? My way up. I am on. I'm on. I am on my way up. It's hard. Climb. It's hard. It's hard. Climb. It's hard. Climb. The earth is very short. It's a hard climb. At last, he climbed to the top. At last, he climbed to top. Did you find anything? Did you find anything? Jack asked. Ken smiled. Yes, he said, holding out a bone. Holding out the bone. In here. Linked outer bone. This is what dog want to tell us. This is what dog wanted to tell us. He dropped his bone into the wheel. Pow, wow, wow, barked the little dog. King gave him the bone. King gave him. H-I-M, him. In here, we cut H. We can say, gave him. Give I-M, gave him. King gave him the bone. The little dog ran off with it. The dog ran off. The dog ran off with it. All that work just for Burn, said Jack. But it is good, Burn, said Ken. I will have bark too. The meaning, if you drop the very important thing, you want to you help. You want to some people help you. This meaning, this is very human, okay? Now let's make a new cover for this old wheel. Now let's make a new cover for this old wheel. This is a very short story about dog and people. People like dog. Dog like people. So the dog dropped the bone. He want people to help him. So he barked all morning. He want to say, help me, help me, help me. I dropped the bone into the well. I like the bone very much. So could you help me? The people, of course, want to help a dog. So this is a very good story. I wish you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next my video. Bye.